everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Christmas cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of butter, which is 2 sticks, and you want that softened and unsalted. 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of a light brown sugar packed, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 bag of white chocolate chips. We're going to use half of those in the cookies and half for the top. And then you need whatever kind of decorations and food coloring. So I'm going to use red and green food coloring. And then I have green and red sanding sugar. And then some of these little sprinkles that have the little holly looking leaves and balls there. So that's all we need to get started. Let's go ahead and preheat our oven to 350 and line a cookie sheet with parchment paper, or maybe 2. In a large bowl, we're going to cream together the butter and sugars with an electric mixer on medium speed until nice and fluffy. So that's probably going to be about 2 minutes. Next, add in the eggs, vanilla, baking soda, and salt, and just mix that to combine. Now we're going to slowly add in the flour, probably about a half cup at a time until it's all incorporated. You'll probably have to use a spatula at the end. All of my dough is incorporated, so I just went ahead and separated it into 2 bowls. Now we're going to add red food coloring to one and the green food coloring to one. Alright, I'm happy with both of my colors. That part does take a while and the dough is pretty sticky, so I just keep wetting my hands and really working those colors in. But I think they both turned out really cute. So now we're going to do half our bag of white chocolate chips, so a 1/4 in here and a 1/4 in here. Those look perfect, so now I'm going to just pinch off about a half a tablespoon of each one and roll it together on a ball. Place it on my prepared cookie sheets. Alright, my first 2 batches is ready to go into the oven, and we're only baking these for 9 minutes. They're not going to look done when they come out, but that's all you want to bake them. They're going to cook a little bit longer on these cookie sheets. My first batch of cookies is out of the oven, and so I decorated them. So some of them I made a little Christmas tree on here. I just put 3 white chocolate chips on top, kind of smoothed them out into like a tree shape with a little toothpick. That one's really cute. And then I just put some sprinkles on there, some holly and some berries. But that is very time consuming. So then I just put some white chocolate chips on top, let them melt for a little bit, then sprinkles, which are so cute because it looks like little ornaments. And then I just had 3 white chocolate chips on top, waited for them to melt, swirled them together into a big ball, and added some holly and some sprinkles. So however you want to do it, these cookies are just adorable just as they are. If you just wanted to add all your white chocolate chips inside your batter, that would be fine too because they're so cute. So we're just waiting on our last batch to come out, and then we'll see what Taste Tester thinks. My second batch of cookies just came out, and I already put my white chocolate chips. I did these a little different. See how cute that looks, like a little flower? I just put the 4 white chocolate chips there and just kind of, after they melted, just kind of put them together just a little bit. And it almost looks like a little flower. Very cute. And then for the Christmas trees, I also did those a little different, which I think turned out really well. I just used 6. I put 1 at the top, and then 2, and then 3, and then just kind of push them together a little bit with my toothpick, which was a lot easier. Came out a lot better. I am so happy with the way they look. I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Yeah, it's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Merry Christmas!